Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. Nikul, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is narcotics, drugs and psychotropic substances, that is NDPS in short, Act 1985. In this video lecture we will be seeing objectives and some of the important definitions, and the next part will be discussed in upcoming video lecture. So let's get started. So first, objectives. What are the objectives that has been made under this Act of Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985? They are first to consolidate and amend the law which is relating to the narcotic drugs. Means the main objective is creating the laws which are relating to the narcotic drugs. Then to make stringent provisions for the control and regulation of operations which are relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. That means strong control has to be there so as to regulate the operations or the projects which are relating to the NDPS. Then is to provide for the forfeiture, that is seizure of property derived from or used in illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Then is to implement the recommendations of international conventions on narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Then to extend the Act to whole India is the major objective of this Act. Now the Act is divided in 6 chapters and has 83 sections. So the first chapter is a preliminary chapter. Then second deals with authorities and officers. Then second A is National Fund for Control of Drug Abuse. Third, which deals with prohibition, control and regulation of NDPS. Fourth is offense and penalties. Fifth chapter deals with procedures. 5A is pertaining to the property which is derived from or used in illicit trafficking. Then 6th is miscellaneous. Now, narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs means coca leaf, cannabis, opium, poppy straw, and includes all manufactured drugs. What are narcotic drugs as such? It is something that consisting of coca leaf or cannabis or opium or poppy straw, or including any of the manufactured drugs. Then psychotropic substances. Psychotropic substances are specified in Schedule to this Act, where natural and synthetic substances or its salt or preparation or any natural material which is including in the list of psychotropic substances which is specified in the Act. Psychotropic substances examples are like amphetamine, rolicyclidine, dexamphetamine, lonazepam, ketozolone, alprazolam, amobarbital, pentobarbital, secobarbital, LSD, mesoca, triazolam, mazimdol, meprobamate and others. Okay? Addict. Who is called as addict? Addict is the person who is habitual to something. Here it is to the regular use of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Then cannabis, that is Indian hemp. What is the definition of cannabis? It contains leaves and flowering tops of pistillate plants of Cannabis sativa or Cannabis indica belonging to family Cannabis. Okay? Then comes medicinal cannabis or medicinal hemp. It is medicinal hemp, meaning any extract or tincture of the cannabis. Okay? Then is cannabis products. What are the products of cannabis? It is charas, ganja and the other mixtures. First is charas, which is a crude or purified resin obtained from cannabis plant, which includes concentrated preparations and resins known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Then comes ganja, which means flowering of fruiting tops of cannabis plant, including the seeds, excluding seeds and leaves not accompanied by tops. So it is known as ganja. And the third one is the mixture with or without neutral material of the above any forms, that is charas and ganja. Okay. Then is coca leaf. Coca leaf is the leaf of the coca plant, Erythroxylon, except the leaf from which all ignonine, cocaine and any other ignonine alkaloids have been removed. Our second is any mixture thereof with or without any neutral material but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.1% cocaine. Now we'll see coca derivatives. Coca derivatives are the one which are the crude cocaine extract of coca leaf, which cannot be used directly or indirectly for the manufacturing of cocaine. Then is ignonine and all the derivatives of ignonine from which it can be recovered, or cocaine methyl ester of benzyl ignonine and its salts, or the preparations containing more than 0.1% of cocaine are such called as coca derivatives. Then opium poppy. Opium poppy is the plant of the species Papaver somniferum belonging to family Papaveraceae, and the plant of any other species of Papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted. Then is opium derivatives. First is medicinal opium. It is opium powder, granulated or in any other form which has undergone the process which is necessary to adopt its medicinal usage. Then is prepared opium. It is any product of opium which is obtained by the series of operations designed to transform opium into any extract. Then is phenanthrene alkaloids, namely morphine, thebaine, codeine and their salts. Then is diacetylmorphine, that is alkaloid which is known as diamorphine or heroin and its salts. Then is all preparations which are containing more than 0.2% of morphine or containing any diacetylmorphine. Then is poppy straw. It represents all the parts except the seed of the opium poppy, and after harvesting, whether it is in the original form or crushed powdered form, or whether or not juice has been extracted from there. Here we complete the definitions and the objectives of this act. The next major part would be covered in the next upcoming videos. To stay connected and join my upcoming videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming notifications of the video lectures. Thank you. Jai Hind.